Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to talk to you about the scary and threatening lawyer letters that we all received as business owners and property owners. Now, the biggest misnomer and the biggest myth that I'm going to dispel right now is that when you receive this lawyer letter, you must respond and submit an insurance claim immediately. Okay? That's totally untrue. It's total garbage. Because in most cases, folks, these letters are garbage. The claims are garbage. They're unverified. They're untrue. They're exaggerated. Whatever it takes for somebody to make money. That's the bottom line. So when I receive a one-page letter that says my client slipped and fell on your property and now cannot work and is suffering immeasurable damages, you know where it goes? Most cases, right in the trash where it belongs. Okay? That's the truth. Now, there are some legitimate cases. Don't get me wrong. There are plenty of legitimate cases. But the problem nowadays is that attorneys are advertising on highways. In pain, call Wayne. Slip and fall, we win them all. They got all the taglines, all the slogans. And the only way that it could be stopped is if it becomes illegal to advertise. Just like cigarettes. You can't advertise cigarettes. That's where that belongs. Because if you're driving by on the highway, you think that it's normal. You think, oh yeah, maybe I can get something. Maybe I can make a few bucks. And the lawyers and the attorneys are capitalizing on it. And most of these letters that you receive are not even written by the attorney. Their secretaries are doing it. Their paralegals are doing it. And at the end of the day, when they're rushing home, they quickly sign all the letters. So it looks like they wrote them. But in fact, they have no idea. They didn't even read them. And in some cases, even the secretary has a stamp of the attorney's signature, so they don't even see it. And what it is, it's a fishing expedition. Let's send out 100 letters and see how many of these folks respond and submit an insurance claim, because when that happens, when the insurance claim is filed, now the attorney is that much closer to settling and getting money. And they take a percentage of what the settlement is, so they can't lose, folks. They send out letters in hopes that you file a claim, and then they settle. They rinse, wash, repeat. It's not fair. So you need to be alert. You need to be aware of this. Okay, and just to reiterate, there are plenty of cases that are legitimate and do warrant a response from you immediately. But in my experience, specifically as a property manager, we receive 2 to 3 a week. And if we don't respond, we don't hear anything back. That tells me the truth. 6 years of it. 6 years, and maybe a handful of them were actually litigated. Okay? Hundreds and hundreds have been received, but only a couple ended up getting litigated. That shows me abuse. That's abuse of the system, and that's abuse of you, because ultimately you're going to pay higher insurance prices because you're a risk. The company had to defend you. That costs money, or they may drop you altogether. So the next time you receive a scary lawyer letter, I don't know about you folks, but mine go in the trash until I get a court summons. So once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.